Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve any problem when your Photos app's crashing or with file system error fix. Go to the start menu and type troubleshoot settings and hit enter. Select additional troubleshooters, one click, and scroll down and select Windows Store Apps and run the troubleshooter, this button, one click. In this process, click on next install, or try follow the steps of the Windows troubleshooter. In this case, I sync in with a Microsoft account for resolve this problem. The second solution is go to the start menu and select or type apps and features and hit enter and select Photos app and click on advanced options. In this new panel, select terminate and reset. If this app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The app data won't be affected. This is the first option. Click on repair and wait a moment for restore to default settings in this Microsoft Photos apps. And the second option is open up the Photos app and hit enter. You can show work this app. If your problem persists, select the second option. If app isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Click on reset and reset. This process restart your installation of Photos app, and to apply the change, go to the start menu and select restart, and you can try open up a new Photos app window and check if your application problem is solved. I hope to help you in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.